Everyone loves spicy and crispy snacks, and the temptation increases if it has something to do with eggs. So today we're going to do a very nice stuffed egg bonda, which is a little spicy. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the stuffed egg bonda, first I'm going to boil 4 eggs. Once the eggs are boiled, turn off the stove. Cool the eggs and peel the shell. Cut the eggs into half, remove the yolk from the eggs and keep it aside. For the filling, take a pan, 2 teaspoons of oil. To this I'm going to add 1 small onion finely chopped. Next add 2 green chilies finely chopped. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, freshly crushed pepper. Give it a quick mix. Next add the yolks. After adding the yolks, gently break them into a crumble. Next add finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything together. Turn off the stove. You can check for seasoning. If you need to add more salt, you can add a pinch. Take the egg whites. Fill it with the egg yolk mixture. Gently press it till it's all filled up and keep it aside. For the batter, I'm taking 3/4 cup of besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons rice flour. Season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon Ajwain or carom seeds. You can also use cumin seeds if you don't have Ajwain. Mix everything together. I'm going to gradually add water to make a nice thick batter. The batter is nice and thick. It's a nice dropping consistency. Heat some oil for deep frying. Now dip the stuffed egg into the batter. Gently drop into the hot oil. Deep fry it till you get a nice golden brown color. Remove from the oil and serve it hot. So here are these delicious stuffed egg bondas that you can enjoy as a nice snack that goes also very well with tea or coffee by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.